so that it will be easy for you to track this video after some time. And so
Okay.
there is a question, the internet allows us to stay connected with each other no matter where we are. On the other hand, it also isolates us and encourages people not to socialize. To what extent do you agree or disagree with these statements? Look, it has
Excellent.
two different statements. And in this
Right.
question, yeah, you are asked that give reasons for your answers and include any relevant examples from
Example.
your own knowledge or experience. So when you have to start writing, first you have to, organize your idea. You should not write anything from the beginning to the end. Okay,
Right.
okay. For this IELTS, you need to follow this structure. This is the possible structure.
Okay.
You can start your writing with introduction. In that introduction, you can paraphrase the question and include your opinion. The
Okay.
second one is the body paragraph, that is called, and you have to give the argument for the topic. Suppose if you agree, you have to provide like the evidence, examples, and you have to also, I will teach you, I will train you, I will train you that how to write, how to use
Okay.
the words like the signpost, the coherence and cohesion, the linking words. Each
Mm.
sentence should be connected with the each other sentences. Like here, body paragraph 3, the same. If you're not agree, give the regions and conclusion. Again, you have to paraphrase the opinion. And your essay that will be, here you can see, that will be analyzed,
Mm.
okay, with these four criteria. Suppose if you have written your essay and I am here to assess, I will first check your task response. The means of task response means how much closer that you are. The topic, the
Okay.
all keywords, if you have covered, if you have written the answers, whatever they are asking, if you have not been deviating.
Right.
And the second one is the grammar and accuracy. So task response means you are getting 25% of the marks. The grammar and accuracy
Okay.
means if you're writing, you must make sure that you need to write
Mm.
down some compound sentences, complex sentences. You have to use good structures of sentences like conditionals, passive voice, comparative sentences, and you have to also take care about your subject and verb agreement, even coherence and cohesion. So when you write down one sentence, always you have to try to give the link. Suppose if you have to, like exercise, suppose if I have to give you one question like exercise is the key factor for the development of your health or improvement of your health. Do you agree
Right.
or disagree? So exercise means physical activities is the essential part to
Okay.
improve your
Right.
health. Okay, and you have to also extend your idea. You can add some of the words. Okay,
Mm.
as a
Right.
result sometimes furthermore, in addition, you can add some more sentence. In addition, it also,
Mm.
okay, give your mental satisfaction as well as the physical improvement. A lot of things that can be added one sentence. You cannot stop a sentence. It is a good idea, it is a key factor for the improvement of your health. You
Right.
can extend your idea adding in addition as well as and but however on the contrary. So the coherence and cohesion means the use of the words the firstly, the secondly, furthermore, moreover, however, and finally. So means one sentence should be connected with the second. That is called coherence and cohesion. And the last, lexical resources. The words that you have been using, you should not use the second time in the sentence. The words like
Oh.
the use of the phrases, idioms,
Mm.
sometimes collocation, the two words that comes proper, sometimes the words that is followed with the certain prepositions, means you have to use the words. And once you're using the words, you don't have to use the second time the same. Lot of words like sometimes they ask you many people consider, okay, and
Okay.
on the other hand they say some people opine or argue. So when you start some people opine, you don't have to repeat the same word opine. You can
Okay.
change the words. Some people consider, some people say, according to some people. Sometimes you have to use some again The next time you can change the few people, and people, few human being, few individuals. You have to change
Okay.
the words. You don't have to use the same words, okay, again
Same.
in the next.
Again and yeah.
So suppose if I ask you this question, how could you go with a good introduction? You don't have to rewrite the sentence, you have to paraphrase. Look, if I have to say, the internet
Hmm.
allows us to stay connected with each other no matter where we are. Or on the other hand, it also isolates us and encourages people not to socialize. You can start like the internet is a wonderful tools that अब आप इसको fulfill कीजिए, try to fulfill this sentence, like how stay connected, that keeps us connected with each other.
Hmm.
Okay, try कीजिए how to. It is true, I will also have to provide some kind of the beginning of the sentences. Okay, you have to see some phrases. You can start here.
Okay.
It is universally accepted that internet has divided the family, or internet has encouraged people not to
Hmm.
be socialized. Okay, like this, it goes without saying that there is no denying that sometimes we live in an age where many of us are using internet. Okay, many of this is the very good beginning that you can begin, and then you can
Yeah.
paraphrase the question. So tell me, how would you paraphrase? Tell me, if you have to paraphrase this question, if I have to provide this question to you, can you send me, can you take 5 minutes and can you send me
Yes. Which
in
one?
the same question if I have to provide? See, I am here copying it and I'm sending it here in the chat box,
Okay.
and I would like to ask you an intro, and
We
today I
just
will
need
work
first paragraph, right? Only
one paragraph introduction.
one.
Let me see how you are writing. Can I give you 10 minutes?
Yes.
Okay, right or wrong, Siley,
Yes.
write it. Right or wrong, try to type it, and after 10 minutes, I will evaluate. And you can see after 10 minutes, there are many, 2, 3, 4, 5 students are there, and they will also learn the same, whatever you are learning, okay?
Yes. Sure.
Okay, so I will connect with you 10 minutes.
Yes.
Right,
Sure.
Siley.
Yes.
I'm waiting
Yes.
for you.